You got something for me?
Delivery.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you made it this far, you know that I have something special for you guys today. I've been cooped up in the house, so I think I've been investing my money, and anytime I put it on a video, I'm doing it for a good reason. Today we have something special. Please ignore these grease stains. I use a lot of coconut oil and a lot of baby oil. I be a greased up monkey. I'm not trying to show y'all my address, so I'm gonna put this box back down. I just wanted to share with you guys, if you are planning on purchasing something that is above your daily needs, make sure you're investing in a good product, something that you're gonna wear, or something that is your favorite and that you're gonna make sure you put it to good use. I think that this is something that I kind of wanted pretty bad. It wasn't something I was looking for, but it definitely was something that I'm glad caught my eye, so I'm not mad. And I'm pretty sure people feel the same way when they first get their packages, or the minute you go into the Gucci store or the Louis store and you swipe your card and they give you your receipt in a nice little fancy envelope. You get excited. It's a good feeling. So I just want to share that feeling with you, because this is the first time I'm seeing the product. I haven't even touched it yet, so I'm lying. I did touch the product, shared it with my friend, but I have not even opened this product yet, so we're all gonna see the reveal together. Yay! So this is the package it came in. Just to talk about where I got this from and the delivery, this is Essence, and they actually had an exclusive collaboration with Essence, so I'm gonna make sure that I put the description down and the link below for you guys. I got some socks, y'all. Yay! These are the socks. I'm gonna make sure that you guys can see the package it came in. I already ripped the plastic, like the ends are torn. Don't think that this is a part of the design, because it ain't. So Star Wars, I don't know if you can see that. How do they do the thing with their light? How does that help? Does that help? I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna be very careful opening this up. I don't want to mess it up. Well, that came off easily. And these are the socks. Really simple. They're not over the top, but they're definitely, I'm gonna be in love when I put these on my toes. I am so excited. I'll put the stuff on at the end of the video. I'm gonna try it on, see if I might need to return it, and I'll give you prices when I'm done. This is what we've all been waiting for. I am so excited. I can already feel the love, the energy just pulsing through the packaging. I can't wait, y'all. All right. Woo! There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's official, y'all. Limited edition. All right, just so you guys know, I got the large because I wanted the oversized look. So yeah, it's pretty large. It did the job. So basically, this is gonna be like a dress. I'm gonna pair it with some really cute heels. They do have some heels on that website to go, literally in the collection, but it's not in the way my funds were set up. That's crazy, yo. I forgot that Disney, basically, you can't see it, but Disney is at the bottom because I forgot that they own Star Wars too. Yes. So if you guys don't know the characters, you got my man Luke, you got Princess Leia, and you got Han Solo. God rest his soul. Princess Leia is not here with us anymore. I don't know the celebrity's name who played her, but so yeah, Luke Skywalker. This is from, I'm pretty sure this is from episode 6. Not really sure. It's just like a poster style. Who is this? Oh, this is the Jedi Obi-Wan who trained Luke Skywalker, and then you have the Resistance ships that are all coming around. This is gonna be really cute with heels and maybe a choker necklace to go with. And it does say it's a movie poster t-shirt. So I've had got an issue with the title, with the actual name of the brand. It is Vêtements? Vêtements is the correct pronunciation. So it says Vêtements unisex Star Wars collaboration limited edition. It's official with the special edition on the back. I'm gonna be right back with you guys because I want to try it on, and then I'm going to discuss, just explain to you guys taxes and things of that nature, so that if you want to make your big first purchase, just know, like, just make sure you're putting your money into, you know, good use. Okay? All right, cool. Be right back.
Your destiny lies with me.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide.
Okay, so I hope you guys had fun watching me, you know, do a dance I don't know how to do because I got 2 left feet. Get it? Left feet for my socks. I should have got 2 left socks, but I didn't. One thing you need to know when you're shopping on Essence is they are a high-end boutique. So I paid $77 for my socks, and that was after the sale. So they had a sale on this special edition collaboration, and I helped myself to it. Then the shirt itself cost somewhere between, like, I want to say like $258, $260 something. So the total came to like almost $400 after taxes. If I spent over like $250, then I got like free express shipping. I think I ordered it on Friday and got it on Monday. So I can't complain about the packaging or, you know, the shipping. It was really good. Just know that there's always a luxury tax, about 6-7%, when you are shopping for, you know, high-end brands. Also, if you're gonna wear a brand and support them, at least know how to say their name. I've been struggling with their name since I bought it. I get really stupid when it comes to labels, like Christian Louboutin, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, any of those, Gussie, you name it. Yves Saint Laurent, I got it. Like, I got it on, like, you, I know. So now that y'all know that that's how you pronounce it, y'all just follow my lead. And as you go along with your purchases, and just be like, yes, I would like the Gussie belt in a size 367 or whatever the European inches may be. I don't know. I didn't get a receipt in here. Yeah, it was pretty quick and easy. So we're done. Yay! That was the confetti, if you didn't know. New content coming up. I do like to switch it up, so sometimes I will do videos that have to do with my everyday life, how I'm doing in quarantine, what new skills I'm learning, and things of that nature. My friend also helped me with this video and the last video. Leave his information if you want to follow him. I'm not gonna put his government out because he always feels some type of way, but you know, he go by Lolo. Lolo, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to get started on my next video. I have my planner right here for you, and we have a lot of video content ideas for you, so we're gonna make that video up next. And actually, I'm gonna get that done today. Just stay tuned. This is launching later on, and then on Monday I will give you another tips and tricks video, because that's my pattern. As you know, I'm not a high-end, you know, YouTuber. I'm not really doing this for monetization yet because I'm not there. This is just to get my, you know, my feet wet. I think I've said that before. I don't even think my feet are wet. Like, we in 3 feet right now. Like, we about to go swimming. So just stay tuned. We got a lot more in store. Yeah, I think I'm about to go. So like, subscribe, everything helps. I will also leave a link to my older videos so you guys can follow along with what I've been doing lately. So yeah, thanks guys. See ya.
Let me get my hair so done.
We got this.
You didn't bring the camera.
Yeah, I was just thinking, should I get my mom to just record me with my regular? And then eventually, I'm just gonna be, I need to do something dumb like